I welcome all the students of English literature. Introduction to English literature. Here I have written and taken some definitions of English literature of different writers. English literature means different things in different contexts. Literature comes from the Latin word litera, which means acquainted with letters. All definitions of literature agree that English literature includes literary works like novels, stories, poems, non-fiction, and plays composed in English. English literature includes novels, stories, poems, non-fiction, and plays which are composed in English and in well written form. This is the first definition of English literature. Another definition of English literature is literature broadly is any collection of written work, but it is also used more narrowly for writings specifically considered to be an art form, especially prose, fiction, drama, and poetry. Writing that is in an art form, especially prose, fiction, drama, and poetry. Work that is included are work that consist of prose, fiction, drama, and poetry. That is another definition of literature. Next, literature usually means works of poetry and prose that are specially well written. Literature means works of poetry and prose that are in well written form. Another definition of literature is the communication of thoughts, ideas, and feelings through the written words. It is a transaction of a very personal message between one individual, the writer, and any number of others, the reader. Means literature is the communication of thoughts, ideas, and feelings through the written form or through in written form. It may be prose, it may be poetry, drama, or novel. Literature is also defined by Merriam-Webster dictionary. It means written works such as poems, plays, and novels that are considered to be very good and to have lasting importance. It defines that such well-written work like poems, plays, and novels that are considered to be very good and have lasting importance. That is another definition of literature defined by Merriam-Webster dictionary. Another definition of literature is the best of what has been thought and written, taken from the preface to the poems by Arnold. Arnold says that literature is the best of what has been thought and written, communication of thoughts and ideas in well-written form. Aristotle also says that literature is an imitation of a sequence of events. He says that literature is an imitation of a sequence of events Literature can be categorized and thereby understood according to the method of operation and execution of each category. Viewing or reading literature facilitates the expression. Aristotle says that literature is an imitation of a sequence of events, taken from his work Poetics. Friends, this was these were different definitions of different writers. I hope you can now easily define literature in your own words. Thanks for watching.